See the one, once the summer started, or spring, all these insects bites, eat them, look. It's their favorite thing to bite. But during the winter, this one, we didn't see any bite on them. So meaning the insects that biting them love to eat, they just so full, or they just don't want to eat until the wet spring come. Yeah, they all here and eat all your cropped. So I only keep 2 of them. I harvest the young one when they were baby. So that was a big no. Because if you want to regrow, it's really good staple in your garden. If you want to regrow and regrow again, just harvest it like what I did. I didn't even know and research about this, so I just learning. I thought it die when I remove it one by one, but no. It's not. It didn't die. So look it up. You only get it whatever you want. Just I'll get some bit more. See, it started to get bite because you know why it's like this. I don't spray chemicals on them, so all the thing is biting it. Meaning it's a organic food. No GMO, no nothing. Oh no! How tender is that? I think that's it. There's another one here, bigger one. The rest I'll leave it there for now to grow a bit more. Alright, just really enjoy doing this though. Yeah. And this, I don't know what you're gonna do with this. Gonna remove some in the bottom. This one was really good in the winter. I keep harvesting it every now and then. But it wasn't flower yet. But look at that. Flower is similar to, what is it? Spring onions. Turn yellow. They're not dead, but they really look so nice. This one is don't have much like that one. Winter she was bushy like that. Oh look, she's starting to get flowering too. This must be a sign that they're really matured. I'm not sure. I think you can eat the flowers though, I'm not sure guys. I have to research them. I think they're all edibles. Maybe I leave them to the seeding. Or if you don't want to get seeds, you can remove this. But since it's my first time growing this, I'll leave it for the seeds already. Keep harvesting for more. In the bottom, growing and growing like this. There's a bunch of baby leaves. This one is unending growth, which is really good. I recommend this kind of food. If you like this kind of food, go ahead. They grow like crazy, guys. It's my onions growing really good. I got more babies onions there. And here, my eggplants, I cultivate them now. And there's another spinach here. I just planted it today. My spring onions didn't grow well, but the other one it is. My Malabar, the baby one that come back this time. See the onions here. Bokchoi there. Zucchini here. The other zucchini right there. Alrighty everybody, I'll leave you to it. And this is the harvest that we have, you know, because it's the only thing I can eat. This is otherwise if I harvest more, oh I can, I guess, so it will grow, or more space for the little one. Okay, there's a lot of little one, you need more space. So whenever more seeds in here, let's see if I remove the seeds on this one. Maybe. Okay, I remove the seeds on this one anyway. Let's say this one, we don't let them seeds. Let's see. And this one, because you got too many flowers, we let them be. Okay. I'm going to research if you can eat this one. To Mr. Google and a lot of YouTuber that grow professionally this. It look like the little broccolini. Wow. They already are relatives for broccolini. Anyway, this is all. So we have a food already here. Just gonna go. Look at all these onions here, guys, and okra. See some kainis na bird, something animal digging here. So I corrected it again. More onions. It was already growing, so I have to put you here. See here, may Roma tomato. She got a lot of fruits this time, or vegetables. Look at my Malabar. She come back. They hate the winter, but they didn't die. So I guess it's really tempting to get this one now, but I leave it for now. Malabar or alogbate in Tagalog. Yeah, that's the English for that, kabayan. Malabar. See, may Roma tomato. They are nice. This time is small, but it grows anyway. See, no fertilizer. I should put more of this nitrogen, I guess. The animal manure. Yeah, I'll leave it for a few days and it will more ripen. There's more coming here. Look at that, the leaves run out of birds. Okay. Oh, it's hot. I'm going to give him my water. So I leave the Malabar here for now. I guess I can't cut few because she's really tall. So she grow more. Really tempting to get some, but I guess I can't do it like this. So it's not that too old for them. It's good for any beans for this one too. Okay, I'll leave the rest. So they're tempting to get seedlings again. Seeds. Alrighty. There's more here. Yeah, the rest I will leave it, guys. See, she's going to get seeds. There's too many butterfly leave their babies here. Caterpillar. To eat more, it's okay. That's good for environment anyway. There you go. Don't do this like what I did, guys. Just get the scissor. I didn't bring the scissor with me. Yeah, I leave the rest here. I used to have a lot of them in the styrofoam or pot. But the weather is going nuts, so I put in the ground. Our zucchini is doing really good. See the female here? Female zucchini. It's like a ground flower on the top of them. This one here as well. I don't give them too much water anymore. Some people they give them water every day. That one is just full off. I hope it grew well. But I noticed in myself, really truth advice from you, pillow gardener in Australia, anywhere in the world, don't give them water every day. At least every second day. Because if you give him water every day, it happen it full of the zucchini babies. So it's too wet, not good. And that's true what they said as well. Don't shower them in the leaves. It's more rotten with flowers. You won't develop, sir. From now on, I just go with here around with the hose, just there in the bottom. So I don't water the leaves anymore. Yeah, I'm learning on the way with all this process for zucchini or any kind of vegetables that I'm trying to grow. This one was a, I guess, male flowers all off, and this one left. So I let bees working on it with the other flowers that going to pollinate from male like this to female like this. So once the bees pollinate them, they grow nicely and become like this and become nice zucchini one day. Alright, she needed more of this thing, I guess, so she got more and more of this. I actually show you the one here, just only one. Oh, I already removed 3 of them, did it right at home, and this is the one left here. I need to weed in there again. This is bigger one. Supposed to be a bit bigger more, but I guess I need to buy the natural fertilizer for them, like more manure. I ran out of it, guys. That's it. Nice tomatoes. It's aroma tomato. And they're crawling a bit too. See? Needed some trailer. Well, I just only put primitive wood here. It's fine. Probably more here too. Yeah, another lettuce. It grew too. Got more seeds, more onions, more zucchinis there. So happy and more of this malabar okra. I give him more water. This is onions. Yeah, good onions. Onions. The other one is smaller. And this one here, dig by some animals here. So I put it back. So she's growing back again. Nice onion. I grow them from the babies, from the seeds. Anyway, I leave this. This is all our harvest here today. Nice. And I got more of this again here. Oh, this one I put this in this big container. Yeah, she got more of this zucchini as well. A lot of flowers, but I saw the bees working around it too. This one yellow flower. Actually, they moved them. It's a yellowish. It must be really hot for it to turn yellow. And this one too, guys. I don't shower the leaves anymore. I noticed something on them if you shower the leaves. See? Fungal attacked. This is a male. They're just opening it for a while like this one. Look at the female zucchini flowers. Look so cute. This is a male. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy gardening in Australia and all over the world. Subscribe for more adventure for Australian gardening and cooking and traveling bars. Cheers, have a good day, bye bye. Oh, I didn't wash this for now. I'll wash this when I'm going to cook. Alright, anyway, this spinach that I put here, I'm going to give them water and the sea salt right now, so it will not struggle with this harsh weather. For your information, the sea salt or seaweed is a natural fertilizer. It came from the ocean, seaweed, so they're good. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I have to update you to this later. Bye. I will going to soak some mung beans so I don't cook them dried. Nice mung beans with this or any kind of lentils too. Cheers, have a good day, bye. There, one more glance for zucchini. There you go. Oh, so I remove this one. Yeah. Bye everybody. Stay safe and be happy for the little things in life. Cheers. Bye. Thanks for watching and supporting.